Hi everyone, just thought I'll make a video of how I did the color sanding on the Triton project. So I did all the painting, put 3 coats of clear, 3.5 probably coats of clear, and there was a couple of overspray and very minimum orange peel. So I just cut it using these 3 sandpapers, so 1500, 2000 and a 3000. 3000 was my final cut. So what I did was, I'm just doing the back here. So I sprayed it with some window cleaner, like that. I was going to use and then got one of these sanding blocks. Let's get to 1500, and then held it like that, and then literally sanded it. So sanding a little bit, bit of spray like that. Yep. So once you do the 1500, then I got rag, wiped it off, and then sprayed again and went to the 2000 and the 3000. These little 1500 pads, they're quite good too. So the good thing about them is you can attach a bit of Velcro into the back of the pad and then attach it like that, and you can sand it like that too. See that? So you can do like that, and then once that gets quite worn off, you can actually turn this 90 degrees like that. Before you can do 90 degrees and get another bit more out of these pads. So I've been kind of using the 600s, the 800s and the 1500s like that. So if I do another project, I think I might not buy the 1500s, I might get these ones and stuff. They're like $1 for a paper, and you get 100 in a box of these for $40. So it works out, it's cheaper using these ones because you can get 2 cuts from them. So 2 of these ones is about a sheet. So if I divide by 2, that's 50 sheets, so $50 compared to 50 sheets. Sorry, $25 to $50. So it works out half price. So they're the main sanding ones, and then once you got your final 300 and wiped it off, then